Alright, we're going to do the walk around on the 1983 Chevy C10 four-wheel drive. It's on our auction in Waseca here. This is a 305 V8 factory AC truck. The brake booster. With the chrome bumper and the push bars. Little ding in the grill there. Lockouts in the front. I'm sure it could use new rubber. Got some rust in the usual spots. You know, not too bad down there. Down here, the rocker, you know, typical. Same with the wheel well. Dual tanks. Some rust there. That isn't too bad. It's been used, but sliding rear window. Tailgate does go up and down. A little whammy right there. Chrome bumper. Taillights look good. Dual exhaust. Again, the rust there. We got, like I said, the typical spots there. Pretty good looking interior. Windows both go up and down. Floor, you know, feels pretty solid. Hard to tell with the carpet there, but I don't feel any soft spots there. Seats got the, you know, traditional cover. Headliner's still up. Dash has the typical cracks. And let's start it up here. It's a good sounding truck. So we're charging. Got good fuel pressure. Whoop, horn works. 61,622 on a 5-digit. Headlights on here. Wipers work. Oop, and the washer. Oh, look at that. Say it, really smooth sounding truck. Might need a little power steering fluid. Again, this is the 305, the 5-liter. Everything looks pretty stock. I mean, it doesn't look like it was messed with. Headlights are working. Running lights. Missing the badge on this side. You got the original, let's see here, with all the options. It's saying that it is a factory AC truck, the 5-liter. Heavy duty transmission. I don't know if that would be the turbo 400 or the 350. Oh, 4-speed, so it'd be a 400 then. sure the taillights here are working. Oh yeah. Burn up some of that old fuel. Alright, let's hop in here. Not gonna go too far. Kind of show that, you know, oop, we might need four-wheel drive for that one. Let's see what we don't get stuck back here. Go fast. Well, the four-wheel drive works good. Got us through that mess. Yeah, I'm sure I could use a tune-up. It's been sitting for a little while. But yeah, still, like I said, we got good oil pressure. Let's see. It's charging. It's overdrive. Temp looks good. The radio. Oh yeah. See if we can get the AC to kick on here. Not that we need it today, but you know. I don't see any cracks in the windshield. That's good. It's got the antenna inside it. So the wipers work. Oh, it's blowing. It feels like it's almost an actual AC. It's hard to tell because it's a little cooler today, but I don't know. Let's see if the heat. So yeah, this is our 1983 Chevy Silverado four-wheel drive, and good luck bidding.